Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all how I make my carrot oil at home. It is very beneficial to your skin. Making this carrot oil is super easy. All you'll be needing is your carrots, your grater and your carrier oil. Try to make sure you are using organic oil for your carrots. In that way you are getting all the best out of it. Okay guys, before going into the tutorial, I believe you would like to know the benefits and importance of those carrot oil before you start including it into your skincare. So I will start by telling you that the goodness in carrot oil was largely unknown until a few years ago. Carrot oil is procured either from the carrots grated and boiled in the carrier oil. Carrot seed oil is extracted through stem distillation from the dried seed of carrots. Carrot oil is well known for hydrating dry and flaky skin. It can also be used on dry scalp and hair for a maximum hair growth and hair repair. It forms a protective coating on the skin and helps to retain its natural moisture level. The carrot oil is also used in many commercial skin moisturizers. Carrot oil helps in softening skin tissue and is very beneficial for the treatment of skin eczema and other skin problems. It also soothes irritated skin and helps in cell regeneration, like soothing wrinkles and stretch marks. It is rich in vitamins and very effective moisturizer to use on your skin. It can be used in all-purpose skin cream that helps in soothing wrinkles, dry skin, rashes, swelling, name it. So after washing and peeling my carrots, I'll be grating the carrots with my multi-purpose potato peeler. So after grating the carrots, I'll be spreading it out in a bit. So once the wet carrot is dried, I'll be placing it into a clean bowl. So I have my carrier oil. You can use any carrier oil of your choice, like almond oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, depending on the kind of oil you want to use. But here I'm using extra virgin coconut oil. In a clean pot, I added some water and placed a glass of grated carrots and let it boil on a low heat for 10 minutes. The reason is to let the oil extract all the benefits from the carrots. But remember not to cover the pot in order not to have vapor water dropping into the oil. So here it has been cooking on a very low heat for like 10 minutes. So after which I will let it sit in the hot water until the hot water gets cold completely. So here my carrot oil is ready to be filtered. You can see the color changing from heating up the oil in the glass jar in a hot water. So here I have my strainer and I have my bowl well, which I'll be filtering this. So I will go ahead and filter this oil. After filtering, I will press it down to make sure I get out all the extracts from this oil. So once you do this, you are done. You can go ahead and store the oil in an airtight container and keep it for your use. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will get notified whenever I make a new video. And if you have any question regarding this video, do that on the comment section and I will reply you in a short moment. So here is the outcome of the oil. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share this video. See you all on my next video and bye bye.